Keeping assets up and running is mission critical to your organization and ultimately the satisfaction of your customers. If you're still relying on spreadsheets or difficult-to-use applications, your work could quickly pile up, or worse, slip through the cracks. We used to wonder if there was a way for organizations that own, operate, or manage valuable assets to work smarter, not harder. Today, we've made that a reality. Welcome to ThingTech Enterprise, where enterprise asset management, real-time IoT data, field service mobility, and advanced analytics converge. Built on the ThingTech IoT platform, ThingTech Enterprise delivers a 360-degree view of your asset's location, performance, and condition. With IoT devices and sensors that integrate with our comprehensive asset database and mobile application, your maintenance technicians can easily keep up, so operations run smoothly and maintenance costs go down. Make your things smart, make your company smarter with ThingTech.